off quick.
I can't. Oh my gosh. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today's video is going to be so cool. So if you guys don't know, I am a part of class of 2020, and we are going out a little. There's a bug on my wall. If you guys didn't know, I am a part of class of 2020, so we are the best class, even though we're having to go through all of these things. But they have finally allowed us to decorate our caps this year, so I'm super excited. I went to Michael's and I got some supplies to do so, and I'm so excited. I already know exactly like kind of how I want it. I'm not gonna say yet because y'all will just have to wait and see. But I really just wanted it to resemble something that was meaningful, because I really want to hang it up in my room whenever I'm done with it. So I want it to look good. So I'm going to do something that resembles my modeling and fashion and beauty, because that's just my life. That's just what I do. Let's go ahead and get into it. So some things that I bought from Michael's, I got a hot glue gun, because I have mine somewhere, but I'm too lazy to try to find it. So I was just like, let me just buy another one for $3.99. I got some of these, like, first of all, let me show y'all my cap. So this is what my cap looks like, just a plain black cap. So I got some rhinestones, I got some little camera accessories to represent me modeling and stuff. And I know that the cameras are black, but trust me, what I got going on, you'll be able to see it when I'm done. I got this little cross thing because I am a proud Christian, and I'll probably put these two on it because these wouldn't really match the aesthetic I'm going for. Okay, then I got these three. They had a whole sheet of rhinestones, and I was gonna get that at first, but then I decided to do the edges of my cap this, so I'm super excited. And it literally is the same exact thing as my palm clutch, so I thought that was super cool. I got some stars, I got some little high heels, which is gonna be cute because that also represents, you know, runway, modeling, fashion. This right here is gonna go over the part where I have to put my tassel, so that's gonna be cute. I got some little lip stickers, some of these that can go on there, and last but certainly not least, I got some letters because I'm going to throw some letters on there, and it's just gonna be really, really, really good. So I'm excited. So I'm done talking, so let's just go ahead and get into the video, and y'all can see the process that I'm doing or whatever. Okay guys, so I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but I made little lines here. This is like, let me see if it'll focus. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Like I could literally make my entire wall like this. I could do it. Like, I'm that bougie. Anyways, so I'm gonna cut these strips here. Like that. Yay! So I'll show y'all what it's kind of looking like. Kind of looks like that. I haven't stuck it yet, but I'm just gonna make sure everything lines up really well, and before I like actually put everything.
Those are big letters.
Yeah, because I have like 2 sentences. We probably should
Did we
have
get some smaller ones too, though? Yeah, we did.
We did?
Yeah.
I don't think we did. I got everything done. It already looks good.
Yeah, it looks good just like that.
I'm gonna put my glasses on, guys. Sorry. I start to get a headache when I don't wear my lookers. So here's this little doohickey thing that I'm gonna put where the tassel is gonna go. Oh, this is so cute. I really would love my whole wall to be this.
I would too. It's really pretty.
Like, I think we need to buy like 10 million of these.
I bet we could find a wallpaper or something.
Like, if I could make, what wall should it be? Probably
that one.
I could just have like this section since I film, and it could be like all glitter sparkles. This is what we got so far. You know, the wording, just ignore that. We're gonna have to fix that later. But this is what we got. No.
Oh, let's get it off quick.
I can't. Oh my gosh. Oh,
Just pull it off. Did it come off?
yo. It freaking touched my hand and it got hot and I dropped it. And now I have glue stuck on there. Every day is a fashion show. Here's what it looks like so far, guys. Every day is a fashion show. The world is my runway. Period. Okay. So now we have to work with these and figure out
What's one where? If you can't.
which camera do y'all think is best. Can y'all see this? Putting this little camera thing on it to represent, you know, my photo shoots or whatever. Alright, y'all, I have officially completed my graduation cap design. Are y'all ready for the results? Here we are! I'm so excited. So it says basically, it's gonna be like this and it's gonna be like that. So basically it says, every day is a fashion show. The world is my runway. And I have a camera here for like photo shoots and stuff. A star. I have some heels. And then I have some kisses for like makeup. And then a cross because I'm a Christian. I'm a proud Christian. I'm so glad that I got to do this. Honestly, I was never crazy about decorating a graduation cap. Like, I've never said, like, you know, I wish we could decorate our cap. But now that they gave me the opportunity, I'm happy we got to, because it just gives you that last chance to show people, like, who you are. And, like, so this really represents me and my life, and I can't wait to hang it up in my room. So, yeah, I'm so excited. And y'all should definitely stay tuned for my graduation quarantine type vlog, because it'll be definitely something different, and It's obviously never happened before, so you'll definitely see one from me. So yeah, just hang in there. And if you are class of 2020, congratulations to you. And if you just watch this to see how you could decorate yours, I hope I helped inspire you a little bit. And yeah, don't forget, if you can dream it, you can achieve it. So let's get this bread all day and every day. Hey, and we out.